live song, Nick getting his feelings and shit. Sitting here, reminiscing, thinking about you. I miss you.
Space station is where my heart is at. Constant pain and it's constantly raining, and I hope the pain don't bring a heart attack. I hope the change don't be a part of that. But the truth is, I may have caused harm. Safe to say, some pretty big mistakes. It's like I can't replace you cause I lost my heart. And if I did, well then it's probably fake. So I sit and wait some more. I hope and pray that I could break the floor. I place my kick until my ankle sore. Then I place my kick until I break the floor. I can't take no more. My everyday, my heart is breaking like in every way. I write and try to find a word to say, but maybe now you're down to get my heart a break. If loving you is a chance to take, I place my faith into the situation. I give my all so I can finally make the right decision, but it takes some patience and there's no replacing for the way I feel. It's hard to stake it and I can't be chill. Might just have to go and take a pill, but with all this love, I know it can't be real.
I love you, and even when it's dark and raining, can you take it? I want you to give me all the love that I can take it. Heartbroken and stranded, even through all the damage. Can you stand there? Can you stand up?
Yeah, hard press, it's a hard lesson. I found your love, it's like I found a blessing, but I can't read you like a mixed message, and I can't see you. Damn, you just vanished. So I sit and wait and think. I grab a bottle and I take a drink. I splash my face, I wanna break the sink. I take another sip as I embrace the sting. Flash forward to a different life. Shit so different though, you and I. Shit so Texas though, you the vibe. And we was apart, there's no use of life. And so I sit and wait. And further on, I make it find you with your son and mom. We may have made it if we got along, but you're nuclear, bitch, I'm an atomic bomb. And just wait the blast, make it last. The ring you sold it with your hating ass, and it was over then and I could dare to ask. Over now I could dare to ask. Barely standing, barely managed. Cancellation till the marriage planning. But I love you, and it's all true. Togetherness, that's how we supposed to stand it.
I love you, and even when it's dark and raining, can you take it? I want you to give me all the love that I can take it. Heartbroken and stranded, even through all the damage. Can you stand it? Can you stand the pain?
There's some sunny days, everybody love it. Shout out to New Edition. But can you stand the rain? Nah, for real. We might go through a lot, and we've been through a lot. But it's times like this where we need each other the most. Breaking my heart. Just come back to me, please. Cause I can stand the rain.
Yeah. Just come back. Yeah.